The Italian company, Gera, is the first company to patent how to fold heliographic copies and the first to build super compact machines that do not require maintenance. In this video we present the GeraFold 424, an automatic machine for folding large format drawings such as A0 or A1, ideal for customers such as design and architecture firms, printing houses, shipyards, transport, energy and telecommunications companies. This machine folds documents in 5 seconds to A4 final size. With a single input it will first fold to reduce the length of the sheet and then cross-fold to reduce the width. The final package will be folded into A4 size, ready for distribution or archiving. The folding solution consists of 2 folding units and 3 folding programs that can be selected and modified by the user. Program 1, with useful binding margin to obtain a final filing margin for the ring binder, meets the DIN A standard. Program 2 provides a standard package with all 21 cm wide panels named Full Front DIN C standard. Program 3, which manages folding and saves paper for the last panel will be the same size as the first. This program is called Full Front and Full Back. All of these programs are fully customizable by the user. For example, if the 20 mm margin is too large or small for your ring binder, you can easily change it between 0 and 50 mm. Similarly, the whole package width of 21 cm can be modified to meet specific requirements, between 14 and 32 cm for the needs of European American and Asian customers. Why choose Gera? Here are the reasons. With over 55 years of experience in the paper folding industry, over 10,000 units sold, we have developed a product that makes it easy for any user to overcome any challenge. Clearing paper jams is 100% guaranteed and you'll never need a technician. Any errors encountered by the machine will be resolved via a QR code shown on the color touchscreen, which will show you explanatory multilingual tutorials on your mobile device to solve problems or adjust the crease and obtain optimal results. Choose Gera for an excellent folding experience and consistent folding quality over time. The unique feature of our paper folding machines is that they are designed to be delivered fully assembled and shipped without damage. This allows the customer to install and use the machine without the help of any local technician and to save on transport and installation costs. After-sales service and remote technical support for 5 years. Visit the Gera.it website and fill out the contact form.